Hello friends, my name is Chetan Vadaria and today we are going to study about coordinate geometry guys, and there are total 3 formulas in this. Out of that only 1 formulas and 3 sums related to this we are going to solve in this. Let us start without wasting much time guys. Here 2 coordinates are given to you, A 7,13 and B 10,9. If we want to find out the distance between these 2 coordinates, we can find out that easily with the help of a formula called distance formula. That is, distance is equals to, I had written D under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is your distance formula. So what are x1 and x2 in this one? You know, coordinate A. So this 7 will be x or abscissa of this A, and y 13. So this will be y. But here this is of first coordinate. So we will keep this as x1 and y1. And here this is x and this is y, but this is of second term, that's why we will keep 2 with this. This is x2 and this is y2. Now we just need to keep this inside this. Let us start keeping the value x2 minus x1. So 10 minus 7 whole square plus y2, that is 9 minus y1, that is 13 whole square. So here under root 10 minus 7 will give you 3 square plus 9 minus 13 will give you 4 square, but minus 4 square. So 3 square will be 9 and minus 4 square will be also positive 16, because minus plus. So here you will get distance as under root 25. So root of 25 is 5. So you can say the distance between these two is 5. So guys, in this chapter only 3 formulas are there, but they can ask these formulas in different ways. So I want to give you or ask you 2-3 more sums. That's why I came up with this new sum. Let us start with it. Find the values of y for which the distance between these 2 coordinates A and B is 10. And here they had not given us value of this coordinate of B. So that we need to find. Again we need to use the same thing. Let me make a figure and show you. Our A, that is 3, minus 1. So we can take this as x1, y1. B, 11 and y. So this will be x2 and y2. Instead of y2 we are going to give y only, because that we need to find out. And the distance between this is already given to you, 10. So the same formula, distance is equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is our distance formula. Let us keep guys x2 is given here 11 minus x1, that is given here 3 whole square plus y2, that is y only, and minus y1 is minus 1. So minus 1 in bracket you need to get whole square. So here you will get under root 11 minus 3, 8 square plus here minus will become plus. So you will get y plus 1 whole square, and here you need to use identity. Let us start with that guys. So and here okay, 10 is also given to you. So what we can do, let us solve first of all this. 64 plus this will be a plus b whole square identity. So you will get a square plus 2ab is 2 into y into 1. So 2y plus 1 square into 1. Now what we can remove this root by squaring both the sides. What we can do? squaring both the sides. So this root will get cancelled, and here 10 square will be equals to 100. 64 plus y square plus 2y plus 1. Now take this 100 also on that side. So 0 is equals to first y square plus 2y. 64 plus 1, 65, minus what you will get here? 100. So you will get 35. 0 y square plus 2y minus 35. So here you can solve this by splitting the middle term. If you don't know how to do splitting the middle term, you can watch my separate video. I had teach many shortcuts. Directly I can tell you that here the factors will be y plus 7 and y minus 7. So that will give you this. If you don't know the shortcut, you can watch my videos, or I will give you the link of that video in the description. So what will be the value of y? Y can be equals to minus 7 or y can be equals to positive 5. So you will get two values of y. You can see guys. Here the same formula, but whole question changed. Again in my next question also the same thing I will have. Let me do it. Find those points on x-axis, each of which is at a distance of 5 units from the point A 5, minus 3. Now one thing you need to keep in mind, let me show you with the help of a diagram. Any point is on x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4 here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2. If I am asking you, tell me the coordinate of this. So the coordinate of this will be minus 3, 0. Coordinate of this will be minus 1, 0. So 2 will be 2, 0. Coordinate of this. So whenever any point or coordinate is on x-axis, the abscissa or the y value of that coordinate will be always 0. So here we are having 2 points A and another point we don't know, but I am taking that as B, and we want to find out the distance between AB, and we are having coordinate of A as 5, minus 3. But we are not having coordinate of B, but we know that whenever any point is on x-axis, its y will be always 0, and we don't know x. So let me keep this as x2 only. So we need to find out this. Okay, the same formula, distance formula, is equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here under root, here distance is given to you, so directly we will keep 5 x2. We don't know what is x2, so x2 minus x1 is 5. This is your x1, y1. x2 we don't know, this is y whole square plus y2 is 0 minus 1, so that will be minus 3 whole square. If you want to take this as A also you can take, because this 2 is there. So if you want to keep it as A, then also no problem. Now this 5, this under root, here you will get A minus B whole square identity, A minus B. So that will be A square. So let me keep this as x square only. Okay, or you can keep A also if you want to. Okay, but x2 square minus 2 into 5 into this. So 10, directly I am writing 10 x2, here also x2, and then plus 5 square will be 20, and here minus plus 3 square will be 9. Now what you can do, squaring both the sides. Why squaring? To remove this root. So this root will get cancelled. Here you will get 25 is equals to, take it as x2 square. I am not writing x2, but this x we have to suppose this only, so directly minus 10x and plus 25 plus 9. So this 25 will get cancelled, and here you will get x square 0 is equals to x square minus 10x plus 9. Directly I can tell you the factor, as I told you I had given shortcut method. Directly the factors will be x minus 9 and x minus 1. So the value of x will be positive 9 or the value of x will be positive 1. So here this x2 can be 9 or 1. So this way guys, with the help of distance formula, you can solve this type of questions. Still, if you are having any doubt guys, you can join me on my free live lectures. Every day I am taking on Unacademy app. Just you need to download Unacademy app, register with your mobile number, select the goal JEE NEET NT Asian Foundation and use my referral code Galaxy Coaching. For free classes also guys, you need to use this code, and for plus subscription also you can use my code Galaxy Coaching and get 10% discount on that. Okay, after registering, just search my profile name guys, Chetan Wadadia, and click on the follow button so that you will get notification of all my classes guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you so much.